Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A huge, warm hello to all you amazing viewers joining us today. Seriously, thank you so much for clicking and taking an interest in your incredible body and its resilience. Before we dive into this vital topic, sending the biggest virtual hug and all the best wishes your way. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I genuinely hope you're feeling fantastic, full of energy, and staying wonderfully healthy. May you always be blessed with strength, vitality, and the gift of good health. Take a deep breath and appreciate the amazing work your body is doing right now. Okay, let's talk about a question that might pop up if you know someone who's donated a kidney, or if you've ever wondered about your own body's backup plans. Can you survive with just one kidney? The short, simple, and incredibly reassuring answer is yes, absolutely. Millions of people around the world live full, active, and completely healthy lives with only one functioning kidney. It's a powerful testament to the body's adaptability and the remarkable design of these essential organs. Let's explore how this works and what it really means. First, it helps to understand what your kidneys actually do and why we typically have two. Think of your kidneys as your body's ultimate filtration and waste management system. These two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of your fist, are tucked away near your lower back, protected by your rib cage. Their main job is absolutely critical. They clean your blood. Every single minute, about a quarter of all the blood pumped by your heart flows through your kidneys. That's a massive amount. Inside each kidney are millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons. These nephrons work like incredibly sophisticated sieves. They meticulously remove waste products, excess salts, toxins, and extra water from your bloodstream. This unwanted stuff, mixed with water, becomes urine, which travels down tubes called ureters to your bladder for storage until you pee. But kidneys do so much more than just make pee. They are master regulators. They constantly monitor and fine-tune the exact balance of fluids and electrolytes, like sodium, potassium, and calcium, in your body, ensuring everything is just right for your cells to function properly. They help regulate your blood pressure by managing fluid levels and releasing hormones. They also produce a hormone called erythropoietin, EPO, that tells your bone marrow to make red blood cells, crucial for carrying oxygen. Plus, they play a key role in activating vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones. So, they're not just filters. They're vital control centers. Now, back to the main question. If they do so much important work, how can someone manage perfectly well with just one? The secret lies in the incredible reserve capacity built into healthy kidneys and the body's fantastic ability to compensate. Imagine your kidneys are like a factory with two identical production lines, each capable of handling way more than half the daily workload. Normally, they share the job comfortably. If one factory line shuts down completely, whether it's removed surgically, like for donation, damaged by disease, or simply never developed properly, a condition called renal agenesis, the remaining kidney doesn't just sit there. It springs into action. It recognizes the increased demand and undergoes a process called compensatory hypertrophy. This is a fancy term meaning the remaining kidney actually gets bigger and stronger. Its nephrons, those tiny filtering units, don't just work a little harder, they significantly increase their individual filtering capacity. The entire kidney enlarges to take on the full workload that two kidneys used to handle. It's like the remaining factory line ramps up its speed and efficiency to match the previous output of two lines. This adaptation usually happens quite quickly, within weeks or months after the loss of the other kidney. You might wonder if this means the single kidney is constantly working overtime and wearing out faster. This is a common concern, but extensive research following kidney donors for decades provides reassuring evidence. For a healthy person who starts with two normal kidneys and loses one, especially through donation, the long-term outlook is excellent. Studies consistently show that living kidney donors have a life expectancy similar to healthy people with two kidneys. The risk of developing significant kidney problems or kidney failure later in life is only very slightly higher than the general population, and often linked more to other factors like high blood pressure or diabetes that can affect anyone. The single, healthy kidney, after its initial growth spurt, stabilizes and functions efficiently for a lifetime. It maintains the crucial blood filtering, waste removal, and regulatory functions just as well as two kidneys did before. The body's filtration rate, measured by something called the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, might be slightly lower overall than it was with two kidneys, but it usually stays well within the normal, healthy range needed to keep the body clean and balanced. Of course, living with one kidney does mean being a bit more mindful and protective of that precious organ. It's not about living in fear, but about adopting smart, healthy habits that are good advice for everyone, but become especially important when you only have one filter. Keeping well hydrated is key, as it helps the kidney flush out waste effectively. Avoiding habits that put extra strain on the kidneys is crucial. This means saying no to smoking, which damages blood vessels everywhere, including those supplying the kidney. It means being very cautious with medications, especially over-the-counter painkillers like ibuprofen or naproxen, NSAIDs, if taken frequently or in high doses, as they can harm kidney function over time. Always tell any doctor or dentist you see that you have only one kidney, so they can prescribe medications safely. Protecting the kidney from physical injury is also wise. While the kidney is tucked away, high-impact contact sports like football, rugby, hockey, or martial arts carry a small risk of a direct blow to the area. Wearing appropriate protective gear is essential if you participate in these activities, and some people might choose to avoid them altogether, opting for lower-risk activities like swimming, cycling, or running. Managing other health conditions that can affect the kidneys is paramount. Keeping blood pressure under control is non-negotiable, as high blood pressure is a major cause of kidney damage. Similarly, managing blood sugar levels is vital if you have diabetes, another leading cause of kidney problems. Regular checkups with your doctor, including simple blood and urine tests to monitor kidney function, like serum creatinine and estimated GFR, and check for protein in the urine, a sign of potential kidney stress, are important for lifelong health. These are simple tests that give peace of mind. People end up living with one kidney for several common reasons. The most inspiring reason is living kidney donation. A healthy individual voluntarily undergoes surgery to remove one of their kidneys so it can be transplanted into someone else whose kidneys have failed. This selfless act saves lives and demonstrates the incredible safety and feasibility of living well with one kidney. Another reason is the surgical removal of a kidney due to disease or injury. This could be because of cancer within the kidney, a large cyst causing problems, a kidney damaged beyond repair by infection or trauma, like a severe accident or severe blockages. Sometimes, people are born with only one kidney, renal agenesis, or with two kidneys, but one never functioned properly and eventually shriveled up or was removed in childhood. They've essentially lived their whole lives relying on that single kidney. And occasionally, someone might have a condition present from birth where the two kidneys are fused together into a single, often horseshoe-shaped organ, functioning essentially as one unit. The human body's ability to thrive with one kidney is truly remarkable. It showcases the built-in redundancy and adaptability we possess. That remaining kidney doesn't just limp along. It steps up, grows stronger, and capably handles the vital tasks of cleaning our blood, balancing our fluids, and regulating our health. While it encourages a mindful approach to health and avoiding unnecessary risks, it absolutely does not mean a life of limitations. People with one kidney pursue careers, raise families, travel the world, excel in sports, often with appropriate precautions, and enjoy all the richness life has to offer. The key takeaways are empowering. If you have one healthy kidney, you can expect a normal lifespan and excellent health. Protect it by living well. Stay hydrated, manage blood pressure and blood sugar, avoid kidney toxic substances, and get regular checkups. It's a powerful reminder of the resilience woven into our biology and the incredible gift of life shared through donation. So, breathe easy, appreciate your amazing filtration system, and take wonderful care of yourself, whether you have one powerhouse kidney or two. Thanks so much for exploring this testament to the body's strength with me today. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you next time.